getting ready. Makeup is done. It's snowing so bad. Let me show you. You're kidding. I really cannot deal with snow. I just don't like it at all. I'm just getting ready to leave. And then when I get to Jenny's school, I'm going to edit, answer some emails. I'm going home in 2 days. It's currently Friday, so on Sunday I'm going home. I'm really excited because I miss my mom and I miss my dog and just my home, and there's so much stuff I want to do when I get back home. But I'm also gonna miss it here, miss being with Jenny every day. Like, it's gonna be really weird. Hopefully when I get back home I can pick up vlogging again because I've just not been doing a great job. We're gonna leave now. I don't know what else I'll be vlogging today. I'm gonna try to vlog just like I say every other day, but so sorry about the lighting, but it is like 8 something p.m. and I'm about to go do some packing. I'm just gonna organize like my dirty clothes and pack them away already. Pack away any clothes that I know I'm not gonna be wearing for the next 2 days, and yeah. Ow. So when I get home, I'm going to be working on my office filming space that I've been talking about like briefly, and I'm probably gonna change up my room a little bit. I want to just kind of change it up for holidays, and I might be moving a couple of things to my office. Once it's done, I have so many ideas of stuff that I want to film. It's just gonna look so good. So I'm starting today's vlog kind of late. It is 4:30 almost. I just did most of my packing and I went ahead. I literally did not wash my face all day until just now, and I just put on a face mask. It kind of looks really bad because I'm not wearing contacts, so I didn't know what I was doing. Look how pretty. Wait, I have to put this on my Instagram. I just opened up the window so you can see even better. So pretty, but it's freezing, so let me pull this down. Ooh. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this sit. I packed everything but some clothes that didn't fit in one section of my suitcase, my toiletries, and then a couple of like this bag with like hair stuff. But I think I'm pretty good because I just weighed my suitcase and it was like 18 kilograms because I put most of my makeup and my shoes in my carry-on, which helps a lot with like kind of getting rid of some of that weight. So I think I'll be able to do it within the weight limit. I'm not too stressed about it because there's not much I have to pack. Like this time I rolled up most of my clothes and it helped a lot more, but I didn't do that before because I was like, ugh, so many sweaters, whatever. But I'm doing kind of good. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and then tomorrow when I finish using my toiletries, I'm gonna shower in the morning so that I'm all fresh, like, because I'm gonna be traveling for so long. So tomorrow morning after my shower, I'm gonna pack up everything else, weigh one more time. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be fine, and then I'll be ready. I'm just gonna probably go to Jenny's room right now, then take up my mask, and then chill for the rest of the night and just spend our last night together. Crazy. These 2 weeks went by so fast. Cannot believe it. Absolutely cannot. I just finished packing. I'm pretty sure I'm like a little bit over 23 kilograms. I think I'm good. I literally look like ass, but I don't even care. I'm wearing my glasses today. It's just easier. But I'm about to go to Jenny, see what she's up to. I think she's still asleep because her noise machine is on. So I'm gonna go wake her up, spend some time with her. I just got home. I'm about to put some coconut oil in my hair. It's like kind of tangled, not very cute. Oh, it's so nice to be home. Definitely missed it a lot. I literally smell like ass. My mom's probably like, ooh, no hair in the sink for 2 weeks and now it's back. Just feels nice, like being in my comfort zone again. Not even that I wasn't, like I felt really at home at Jenny's place. So I got my James Charles morning package. I'm gonna go through it really quick before I do anything else. It comes in this case. Oh my god. I'm not going to unpack them now because I don't have time, but hey sisters, James Charles here. Welcome back to my palette. Oh, it looks so good. I love that it's like matte black and then with the shiny. Looks so good. Holy shit. Oh, I can't wait to play with it. That's really nice. That's really, really nice. Woohoo! Okay, I'm just gonna go relax for now. I don't really want to vlog anything. I just want to relax and enjoy being home. Technically, it is the next day, but I just wanted to put this clip in for today because I literally did not vlog. I started vlogging this morning. Actually, no, it was like, okay, let me start from the beginning. I was gonna wake up around 8:30 because I had a wax appointment at 10:30. And I didn't fall asleep until 6 a.m. I wake up and I'm like, it's so bright. And I look at my phone and it's 11:30 and I'm like, fuck. I decided to go to sleep because I couldn't go to my appointment anymore because I already missed it. I slept until like 2 p.m. Then I like washed my face. I've filmed that, but like I didn't even talk. It's not interesting. I'm gonna try. But I went ahead and... what did I do? I watched some TV with my mom. I just started filming after that, I think. This day has been so, like, all over the place. I don't even remember. I literally forgot that I was going to have a phone call with my manager. So I quickly put my lashes back on because I'd ripped them off. Because she called me. I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just going to grab my stuff. Then I had a phone call with my manager. It was really good and fresh. And now it's 2 a.m. I'm wide awake. So I'm just going to continue editing. Hopefully I can get it done tonight since I'm not going to be able to sleep anyways. Yeah, today's been weird. I'll do better tomorrow. I was so out of it today that I just didn't even know what to vlog. Like, it was a mess. My side wall today looks so good. I slept for like 2 hours. I feel great. Okay, let me just update you on the past few days because yesterday I started vlogging in the morning and I just never continued because my jet lag has been so bad. Like, functioning right now it's just been like really hard. Yesterday I went back to the clinic that I did my nose at and we had a little checkup and we talked a little bit and we didn't put any more in because it's honestly fine. Like, it looks really good still. What did I do? See, like, I don't even remember what I did. I didn't do anything interesting though because I was so exhausted. Then I went to bed around 10, which is really early for me. I woke up at like 2:30 and I was wide awake and I was like, are you kidding? Then I watched an episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Went back to sleep and I woke up around like 10:30. I literally just got out the shower and I'm going to do my skincare. I am filming a try on haul for lounge underwear again today. And then I'm gonna edit that right away and export it because I was actually supposed to upload that today. But because of like literally just these past 2 to 3 weeks being so crazy, I've not been able to do any of that. So I have to create an outfit with this top or it's like a bodysuit. But the thing is that the straps are like too big. I'm already wearing it with a bra because I thought my boobs were too small for it. I was thinking of wearing it with like some black mom jeans and then like a leather jacket, which looks good, but I'm not sure yet. I finished doing that try on portion of the haul and now I'm just gonna have my smoothie and then get ready, do my makeup, probably put on like a wig with like a beanie or something. Hi. Hi. Oh, what a good yawn. Hi. Update. I just woke up from like, I think I took like a 2-hour nap and I got my period. So I'm not thriving. I haven't filmed the rest of that video yet. And I need to because I need to get that done today, edit it and export it and send out. I don't know why, like I got so tired after I had my smoothie and I just fell asleep on the couch. And then my mom was like, okay, I'm leaving. And I was like, okay, I guess I'm just gonna put on some makeup, put on a wig and a beanie and film that part because I need to get it done.